Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can uninstall apps or programs that are not listed in your control panel. To get started, simply open the File Explorer, go to this PC, C drive. Now you will get the installed software either in Program Files folder or in the Program Files 86 folder. Simply find that software and go to its respective folder. You will get an uninstalled file like this. Simply double click on it. Follow the on-screen instructions and you can easily uninstall it. Alternatively, you can also do this. Simply search for that program. Right click over it and click on Open File Location. Now when you go there, you will find an uninstalled file. If you don't get it, simply right click over the application and click on Open File Location. Here you will get the uninstalled file. Simply double click on it, follow the on-screen instructions and uninstall it. In the next method, search for Registry Editor and open it. Now go to the video description and copy this registry location. Paste it in the address bar of Registry Editor and hit enter. Now below this uninstall, you will see all the registry keys of the installed software on your PC. Simply locate your software from this list, confirm it with the display name. Now double click on the uninstall string and copy this value data. Now close the registry editor, search for run and open the run dialog box. Paste that location here and click on OK. Now follow the on-screen instructions and uninstall the software. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.